Today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company RPGSHOW. Of course, you guys know I'm going to leave all the details in the description area. It's by Karen Huger, and this is a part of their Bloom collection, so I'm super excited to show you guys this. The box is very, very pretty, so let's go ahead and check it out if I can get it together. Your unit does come in this little drawstring bag, and then they also just included some wig details right here. They include a company edge band and then also a wig cap. The collection embraces chic sophistication and elegance, so let's go ahead and jump into this beauty. This is the brown highlight shoulder length curly natural unit. This one is in the length 16 inches. It is a 13x6 glueless fit, and this is 200% in density. Now this is what the cap construction looks like. You can already see that they went ahead and bleached the knots. You do get a comb on each side. You also get a comb in the back. You get your lace area, you get your adjustable strap, and you also get your adjustable removable elastic band. For reference, I am a cap size 1 with this company. I usually don't have any issues when it comes to the fit. It fits my small head really good. I went ahead and cut off the lace in the nape area, and I'm gonna go ahead and adjust these straps. Now, a lot of the times I don't have to adjust the elastic band because then it becomes too tight. And because this is their Glueless Fit 2.0, it's going to fit a little bit better because it's more snug in that area. So I think the last time I tried one of their Glueless Fit wigs, I ain't have to do too much, okay? Because Ms. Ma'am was laid down. So we're just gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. Like on so far, they went ahead and plucked out the hairline, so it's looking really good, and you can definitely feel the density up in this area. I'm pretty sure y'all see how this is flowing right here, so I'm definitely gonna have to make sure that is laying down really nice and flat. But this is what the front of the hairline looks like. Looks really good. And then that's the side again. Like I said, I didn't have to adjust that elastic band because it's fitted, okay? This is not going anywhere. One thing that I love about the new Glueless fit, because it's snug, okay? It's snug. Let's go ahead and get into this parting space. Excellent job with bleaching the knots. Okay, so you're not just stuck with the middle part. Let's see how far you can go over. I would say don't go over past this just because you are going to end up running into tracks. To choose this unit just because I feel like it was more natural, great for every day. The highlights aren't doing too much because I know sometimes certain highlighted wigs can be just doing a lot. But with this one and the length and the density, I think this is cute for every day. Like, you're not going to have to do too much with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this unit together. I definitely want to make sure I kind of, you know, get this down a little bit more because it is full in that area. But even then, like, just look how natural it is for me to just tousle my hair like that. If I wanted to just tousle it, like, it still looks, it looks really good, and it looks natural without, you know, without doing too much. So we're gonna get Miss Ma'am together, and then of course I'll be back so you guys can hear my final thoughts, and of course you can see the final look. I love this hair, y'all. It's so pretty. The waves on this are effortless. They're not doing too much. I think that this is a perfect everyday style, especially with the highlights in it, because the highlights aren't overdone. So you shouldn't have any issues with, you know, wearing it every day, all day, if you choose to, especially for the price. We gonna get our money's worth. But I did do a glueless install when it came to this unit. I did have to go in on the side and cut down the lace by my ear because it was overlapping a little bit, and then I used some bobby pins to just kind of secure that lace in place so that it wouldn't flap up. It came out, you know, looking really good. As you can see, it's laying down really nice and flat. As far as the lace goes, it's snug to my head, so I am happy with installing it glueless. I don't have to worry about it shifting and moving anywhere. But if you want some extra security, let's go in with a wig grip or just use some adhesive. But I think that, you know, this is fine because it fits my head really good. If you are not sure about your head measurements, go on the website and make sure to check, because you do not want your unit to be too big because you don't want the fit to be off. Be sure to put the elastic band on and let everything marinate in. And then I opted for a middle part for the first style. I made sure to put some mousse at the top to get everything laying down really nice and flat. I did not notice a lot of shorter hairs when it came to this unit at the top, and it laid down really good. Kind of press it out a little bit more. The parting space was nice and open, so I didn't have to put any powder into the parting space area, and I also didn't have to go in and put any powder around the very front of the hairline. So everything just blended in really nice and well. I did use my Tresemme Flawless Curls to, you know, let the waves be a little bit more defined. I didn't put any water into the hair because I didn't feel like it was needed, and I used my blow dryer just to kind of diffuse it a little bit. But the waves came out really pretty, and for this to be straight out the box, I am happy with the way the waves look. I think they look really good. The ends are a bit straighter, and that's okay. You can go in and kind of wand curl this if you want a more curl look. But the waves, like I said, are just perfect for every day. If you want that messy look and you just don't want to do too much, kind of like I just got out the bed and I just easily fluff this up, then I think the waves are nice. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I got a little bit of shedding because I did have to go in and cut that lace off on the side. And snags, I'm getting a little bit kind of like right in this area, but the hair is really nice and soft. It's like a silky texture, but I also feel like it's not too silky, okay? Like the sheen on this is really nice, but I know I was talking about the tangling and snags, but it's easy for you to just run your fingers through. I would just have a wide tooth comb, especially for the fall and winter time if you're going to be wearing coats and everything, and just pack a clip if you want to get it up out your way. Speaking of ponytails, this will make a good ponytail if you wanted to just kind of like put it up and keep it out the way. You know, you shouldn't have any issues. You can tuck it behind your ear and it's still going to look really good. I love the length on this, and the density on this is perfect. I know 200%, you know, you would think it would be just a little bit more bigger. Now you could fluff this up and make it as big as you want, but I personally feel like it is lightweight and it is a great density. This company, I consider this a bit luxury, so the price is going to be up there. If I have a coupon, I'm going to make sure to leave it down below in the description area. But let me know what you guys think about this unit. Is it a yay or a nay? She's definitely going to be in rotation. I can tell this is definitely going to be a fave. If you are feeling this one, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.